Hi guys, I'm here today to show you this absolutely immaculate 3-bedroom terrace property over on Hayfield Road in Salford. So as you enter the property, you'll see it has the original features in place. You've got this gorgeous flooring. It's beautifully presented throughout here. So as we enter, we've got the living room. It's got the bay window to the front. New flooring in here. Fantastic space in here for family and entertaining. As we head through the property, towards the back, we've got the dining room, which again, a fantastic space, gorgeously presented. The storage to the left there, the floor to ceiling window, letting loads of natural light in. New flooring again in here. And then through to this stunning kitchen, the integrated appliances. Overlooking the back garden. Got the door out to the side there. Really bright in here, fantastic space. And then out the back through to the garden. Really low maintenance. You've got a gate there to the alleyway, loads of space out the back. Now, as we head on upstairs, you'll find 3 really generously sized bedrooms. We've got a new bathroom fitted as well, a 3-piece with a shower. All the bedrooms are a fantastic size in this property. So we'll start at the back. We've got the smallest of the 3, which is still a fantastic size, currently used as an office. Got a brilliant space in here. Again, overlooks the garden. Through to the 3-piece bathroom. Absolutely stunning in here. The walk-in shower. Through to the 2nd bedroom. Again, a fantastic size double in here. Loads of natural light flooding in. And then across the landing, got some storage to the right, access to the loft, and this stunning master bedroom. Fantastic space in here. It's got all fitted wardrobes, huge windows, really bright and airy. Property has been really well looked after. It is in a stunning condition throughout, ready to move straight into. If you would like a viewing, please give us a call and we'll get you booked in.